Today we have the 2021 Skoda Superb. This is a petrol plug-in hybrid vehicle. It has done just under 38,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel we have voice control as a feature, and on the right we have cruise control. On our screen we can access our e-manager, assistance, smart link, navigation and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with park distance control, front and rear parking sensors. Just below is our dual zone climate control, where we have heated seats on either side. We can press our E mode for electric drive, as well as our mode button for our 5 different driving modes. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.